Be honest with me. How many times have you promised yourself, this year will be different? New habits, new goals, a new version of you? And how many times did you quietly break that promise without telling anyone? Here's the truth no one says out loud. It's not the failure that hurts. It's realizing you don't believe yourself anymore. And until you fix that, success will always feel out of reach. Let me show you how to rebuild it. Most people think confidence comes from achievements. Like, when I succeed, then I'll feel confident. When I hit that goal, then I'll believe in myself. But high achievers know something different. Their confidence comes from one simple line. I do what I say I will do. That's it. Write it down. I do what I say I will do. Not sometimes, not when it's easy, not when motivation shows up. Every time. Think about this for a second. You promised yourself something in 2024. Maybe again in 2025. Maybe even this year. A habit, a skill, a version of you. You never told anyone, but you know. You can lie to the world, but can you lie to yourself? No. And here's the scary part. Every broken promise to yourself creates silent self-doubt. Not loud, not dramatic, silent. It slowly whispers, maybe I can't trust you anymore. That's why motivation disappears. That's why starting feels heavy. That's why you feel behind, even when you're capable. Think of self-trust like a bank account. Every time you do what you promised, you deposit. Wake up when you said you would, finish the task you committed to, show up even when it's uncomfortable. Deposit. But every time you delay, avoid, quit, you withdraw. Tomorrow, next week, next year. Most people are overdrawing their account, and then they wonder why they feel empty. Here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need more motivation. You need to stop breaking promises to yourself. There was a man who always said, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow turned into next week. Next week turned into next year. Years passed, and his biggest pain wasn't failure. It's that he no longer believed himself. That's the real damage of procrastination. Not lost time, lost self-belief. Once you don't trust yourself, even opportunities feel threatening. Big goals need strong self-trust. Without it, success feels unsafe. Here's the part most people get wrong. They think rebuilding self-trust takes years, like it's something you have to earn back slowly after a long time. That's not true. Self-trust doesn't come from big wins. It comes from small promises kept consistently. Start embarrassingly small. Promise something so easy your mind can't argue with it. 5 minutes, 1 page, 1 action. Then do it, no matter how you feel. Because every time you keep your word, your nervous system relaxes. Your inner voice softens. It starts to say, okay, maybe I can trust you again. And that's how it begins. This is the shortcut no one talks about. People who grow fast don't magically work harder. They don't wait for motivation. They don't rely on confidence. They become reliable to themselves, day after day, on good days, on tired days. That's why 1 year changes everything for them. When you keep your word daily, your skills stack faster, your habits stabilize, your mindset stops fighting you. That's how 1 focused year can equal 10 years of scattered effort. So here's where it starts. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Make 1 small promise to yourself tonight. Something simple, something you know you can keep. Then keep it. That 1 action is a deposit, and deposits add up. If this video spoke to you, if you felt understood even for a moment, stay with us. Subscribe for more reminders like this. Like the video so it reaches someone who needs it, and comment 1 promise you will keep today. We'll build self-trust together, 1 day at a time.